If Comrade Chris Mutsvagwa does not stop talking, and if Comrade Garwe also does not stop making these rhetorics against Comrade YaGeza, I am personally going to ensure that they stop.
Ladies and gentlemen, kusangana kwatikuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZimWitness TV yandinodzoka nama-updates akasiyana-siyana. Uye ndinoti kana kake kutanga kusvika pano, ndinokumbira kuti ungobaya button rekusubscribe, then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe every update yandinodzoka nayo pano nguva nenguva. So ladies and gentlemen, ndadzoka zvakare nevideo raDrone Comander vachipa warning kuna Comrade Garwe pamwechete na Comrade Christopher Mutsvagwa pamashoko avo avanotaura nekuinsulta Comrade YaGeza. Drone Comander audza vaviri ava kuti mirai zvamuri kuita, otherwise munofunga kuti muri safe but hazvisirizvo. So ladies and gentlemen, I want you to watch this video till to the end and modzoka mu comment section muchitudzawo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi. Please muri Zimbabwe usaskipe this video, ndokumbira kuti urione kusvika kwekupedzisira unyatsonzwa uone kuti zviri kufamba sei.
So message yangas, this today's message is intended for Comrade Garwe na Comrade Chris Mutsvagwa. You see, the problem that we have is that these two comrades, they talk a lot, and currently there's this never-ending rhetoric about exterminating Comrade YaGeza. Let me make this point very clear and very straightforward. There is a lot of people that are going to get upset with this rhetoric, and that includes myself. I'm already upset by this trafficked rhetoric towards Comrade Bombshell YaGeza. Comrade YaGeza is a true war veteran. He's not one of those people that people would want to assume that maybe he's a war veteran or not. He's a decorated war veteran. And I'm going to say this. There are people like myself that don't take very long to act, especially when we make decisions within our heads. So if Comrade Chris Mutsvagwa does not stop talking, and if Comrade Garwe also does not stop making these rhetorics against Comrade YaGeza, I am personally going to ensure that they stop. Pane nguva yekunzi munhu uri kuchichidzira vanhu nenguva yekuti unokwanisa kuratidza vanhu your skill set. Okay, so vazhinji vedu ava vanogara muZimbabwe vanofunga kuti pavanenge vari vakadzivirirwa stereki. Hapana ari safe. Let me tell you one thing, hakuna munhu ari safe. The only safe position yaunokwanisa kunge uinayo is when you make peace with people. So inini, I'll tell this to you, Comrade Chris Mutsvagwa, and to you, Comrade Garwe. If you are not going to stop these rhetorics against Comrade YaGeza, take these words from me. There is no one that is safe. Hakuna munhu ari safe. There is no one that is safe. Let me tell you one thing. There is no one that is safe. Everyone can be found in 5 to 10 minutes. Munhu wese anowanika, hakuna munhu ari safe. Let me explain this to you, Comrade Chris Mutsvagwa, and to you, Comrade Garwe, particularly Comrade Garwe. I was watching this video that you were at the celebrations, and you started making these never-ending rhetorics, right? These threatening rhetorics are against Comrade YaGeza. Hakuna munhu under this sun who cannot be found. Hakuna munhu are safe. The modern world is different from the part of the world that you guys initiated in Zimbabwe. What you've got enough security. There is no security. The only security you have is making peace with people. And when you start upsetting a lot of people, particularly people like us, right? Isusu, we are genuine people that will stand with the masses. We are people that will stand with what makes sense. There is nothing wrong with a citizen, particularly a decorated war veteran, standing up and saying things are not going okay. But all we can say, guys, kukomberedzwa nevana zviri kuti uri safe. Let me just say this as blunt advice to you, because ndikuona kuti vamwe venyu munofunga kuti kana makakomberedzwa nevanhu 20 nepfuti dzakabatwa mumaoko munofunga kuti you are safe. You are not. And people can be found in 10 minutes, basically in a maximum period of 10 minutes. Anyone on this planet can be found. I can tell you your location. I can spot you. I can give you a most recent photo as you walk where you are. That's what can happen. So in saying that, this is not a threat. Don't take this as a threat. Don't miscommunicate this. I'm simply trying to tell you, Kuti, there is no one panopase are safe and unless you make peace with people, right? So these rhetorics that are going on against Comrade YaGeza and against the 31st, the M31, we are citizens, and we have a constitutional right to demonstrate. I just want to advise a lot of people out there, okay? So Comrade Bombshell, he has called for a stay away from the 22nd to the 23rd of April 2025. There are potentially some things that you need to know so that you definitely stay away. And these are times that everyone should take heed. Don't go against certain directives that are being given to fix the economy. Isusu atiskurwa nenyika yedu, atiskurwa neZimbabwe, atiskurwa negovernment. We are fighting corrupt individuals, right? So Comrade YaGeza is given a directive as our commander, and he says on the 22nd and 23rd of April, we have to stay away. So if we act together in unison, we achieve the goals that we want. But my main focus for this message, I want to express this concern, and I would like to make it very clear that it is very unacceptable, that it's unacceptable at all levels for Comrade Chris Mutsvagwa and also Comrade Garwe, and also this little boy, Comrade Wale, to make threats against Comrade YaGeza, because they are going to upset a lot of people. Some people have already been upset, and don't take us not moving or acting as a sign of weakness. We know where everyone is. We know where everyone, and everyone can be found in a space of 5 minutes. So that's why Trukuti, hakuna munhu ari safe. Musazvinyepera kuti kana muchifamba nevanhu 20 to 30 to 50 muri safe. Hakuna munhu ari safe. Munhu ari safe is a person that makes peace with everyone. I hope this sinks in, and I hope you guys take this, and I hope you, my comrades, you take this message very seriously. Hakuna munhu ari safe. Kuwe safe kwemunhu is making peace with everyone. That's all I can say. So, Comrade YaGeza, I hope you are not going to be threatened anymore. And because you represent the masses, we stand by you. Those people that are getting fond of threatening Comrade YaGeza, those people like Chris Mtanga, those people like Comrade Garwe, all these rhetorics that you are making and all these threats that you are making against Comrade YaGeza, be aware that these threats, we are not taking them very lightly. Your one and only Manje, the Anunnaki, the royal bloodline, aka the Drone Commander.